Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Detail Matters. In this episode, we'll be unboxing our January 2022 glove box while keeping the Christmas spirit alive. We'll be working on this beautiful McLaren P1, all coming up in this episode. Okay, when you open up your box this month, you'll notice a box inside of your box. And this is a special Adams Polishes GloveBox Takeover. And you hear me say this multiple times a year. We want you to feel like it's Christmas every month when your GloveBox subscription shows up at your doorstep. Well, even more special this month, this is Adams Polishes limited edition Christmas box. And we are able to get these for you guys, which is no longer for sale. Sometimes you'll see these on eBay, people bidding them up, but we were able to get these into your guys' hands this month. So I'm very excited about that. When you open the box, let's go through some of the products. We have their car shampoo. Now, besides the cool labeling, the cool box, the Christmas theme, you'll also know some special scents with these products. I'm not gonna ruin it for you, but smell these, tell me what you think, and comment below if you like it or if you don't like it. So we'll start off with the car shampoo. Cool Christmas smell. Next, after we go through our wash process and we dry off the vehicle, we will moisturize the tires with the Tire Shine. Also a Christmas themed smell. Then we will triple check our work with the detail spray. And to pair with that, they included a super soft Adams Polish plush microfiber towel. So you are triple checking and washing down your paint surface safely. Then, of course, the exterior is all dialed in. We're going to go ahead and dial in the interior with the interior detailer. And of course, they included all the sprayers you guys are going to need and the cap for the shampoo. But the reason that I wanted to show you guys this first instead of demonstrating the products is I wanted to say, you know, this time of year it gets kind of stressful, right? We have the Christmas, we have the New Year's, we have all this stuff going on. And for people with businesses, especially in the Midwest, we get piled with cars that we need to get done before the snowfall while people still want to get out there and drive their fun vehicles. And it's kind of stressful. It's like the fourth quarter, we're making it to the end of the year and you got to push through there. So with all that detailing going on, one of the things I like to do to kind of unwind from all that is detail. So late at night when no one else is around, I go through my detail therapy session and it kind of gives me a break from detailing. As weird as that sounds. So kind of want to bring you guys along with on that process. We'll use these products on there. Again, I won't spoil the smells for you guys. Let us know what you think in the comments below. And yeah, let's get to that detail therapy session. This concludes this episode of Detail Matters. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that alert icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. I want to wish you guys a very special Happy New Year's, and of course, as always, happy detailing.